What makes someone achieve true freedom? Not motivation, not quick fixes, not some secret shortcut only the lucky find. It's brutal discipline, and today you are going to learn it. Step 1. Embrace the trench. Most people want to be successful, but they don't respect the discomfort it takes. You wait for inspiration, you complain, you seek the easy path, and expect ultimate freedom. That's not how victory works. Miyamoto Musashi laid it out centuries ago. Today is victory over yourself of yesterday. If you want to be unstoppable, start acting like your daily choices actually dictate your destiny, even when your muscles ache, even when your mind begs you to quit. Step 2. Build obsession with the routine. The best in any field, warriors, leaders, athletes, don't chase momentary pleasure. They master their daily habits. A top athlete still trains when they are exhausted. A successful CEO still organizes their morning schedule. And Miyamoto Musashi, one of the greatest swordsmen in history, swung his wooden sword thousands of times a day, long before he ever won a duel. He fought over 60 life or death battles in his life, but his invincibility was forged in boring daily repetitions. That's what happens when you train the muscle of discipline in the shadows. Step 3. Fall in love with the hard path. Not comfort, not excuses, the hard path. Because mastering yourself isn't about doing the right thing when you feel inspired. It's about doing it even when you're tired, even when the summit looks impossibly high, even when it's completely unglamorous. That is what makes it true freedom. So, what's the real secret? Be the person who can stick to the routine longer than anyone else. Wake up, do the work, do it again. And if you're struggling to stay consistent yet, good. That means you're just early in the process. Keep fighting your inner demons, and one day you will be the architect of your own destiny.